Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Scheduled Tribe Certificate. This certificate is crucial for accessing various government benefits and schemes. We will cover the essential steps, from understanding eligibility to submitting your application, ensuring you have a clear path forward. It is a straightforward process when you know what to do. Gathering the correct documents is a critical step. You will need identity proof, residence proof, and an affidavit confirming your tribal status. Also, include your birth certificate and a copy of a blood relative's caste certificate, typically your father's. Having these ready will significantly speed up your application, saving you valuable time and effort. The application process involves obtaining the form, either online or from the local office. Fill it out carefully, attaching all your self-attested documents. Submit the complete package to the subdivisional magistrate or Tehsildar. Remember to collect an acknowledgement receipt. This is important for tracking your application's progress and serves as proof of submission. After submission, the authorities will verify your documents and may conduct a field inquiry to confirm your tribal status. This verification process ensures authenticity and can take several weeks. Once successfully verified, your Scheduled Tribe Certificate will be issued. You can then collect it from the designated office, completing the entire process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.